Hello, my name is John Weaver, and first I will be performing a monologue from Macbeth. I will be playing Lady Macbeth. And secondly, I will be performing a monologue from Two Gentlemen of Verona as the character Lawrence. Yet here's a spot.
Out, damn spot! Out, I say!
1, 2. Why then, 'tis time to do it.
Hell is murky! Fine, my lord, fine. A soldier and a feared? What need we fear who knows it, when none can call our power to account? Yet who would have thought the old man to have so much blood in him? The Thane of Fife had a wife. Where is she now? What, will these hands ne'er be clean? No more of that, my lord, no more of that. You mar all with this starting. Here is the smell of blood still. All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Oh! 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 Wash your hands. Put on your nightgown. Look not so pale. I tell you yet again, Banquo is buried. He cannot come out of his grave. To bed. To bed. There's knocking at the gate. Come. 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 Come, give me your hand. What's done cannot be undone. To bed. To bed.